Happy golden anniversary. Happy golden wedding anniversary to Papa Samson and Mami Neneng.
Happy golden anniversary to Mama and Papa.
Happy anniversary to Mama and Papa.
Happy golden anniversary, Mama and Papa.
Happy 50th anniversary, Mama and Papa.
Itong awiting ito ay alay sa'yo. Sintonado man tong mga pangako sa'yo. Ang gusto ko lamang kasama ka, tumanda. I wanna make you smile whenever you're sad.
Unconditional feeling you can give and share.
Everything. It's a lot. It's a lot of sacrifice. Yes. Understanding.
Love is complete. Everything is in there. One of the ingredients that a couple must
Yeah.
the
The top ingredient.
top ingredient that a couple must have in relationship. In order for them to be together for a long, long time.
What is love, Owen?
Kasama kang tumanda, ibibili ng balot pag mahina ang tuhod, ikukuha ng gamot pag sumakit ang likod. Okay, sarap isipin, kasama kang tumanda. Oh, sasamahan ka.
I love conquers all.
Love is kind, love is patience, love is understanding, and love makes us happy every day, every moment in our lives.
You know about ko rin mo.
Love is when you sacrifice everything.
Kiss. Love is kind.
And love is always understanding. Once failure and effort also. And love is always appreciating.
Ben, kiss daw, Ben.
Kiss mo na si Jay. Dali sa'yo. Kiss, kiss, kiss.
Yay!
Mahigit kumalang, di mabilang, tatlong
Mamo
sa isang
Pero kay Mamo, I love you. Okay, Simon, happy anniversary. Simon! Simon, peace, Simon! Oh, happy anniversary!
Love is commitment through challenges. Love is the ability to commit no matter how much pressure you are under. Love is the ability to persist in commitment no matter no matter how much you are pressed, no matter what opposition you may face, and the ability to stay with each other till the end of the day.
Love is like a river that flows forever.
Let's go forever!
Yay!
Makarita, mag-listen na.
Sa teenager.
Personally, yung interpretation ko as a love is all about patience and compassion.
Aray mo!
Okay, Mama, what is love?
Love is blind what lovers cannot see.